In our previous e-lecture, we have discussed about electric current, and we also discussed activity number 4, in which two teams were made by us, battery and light bulb. And we also saw there how the electric current from one of the member of the battery start flowing, go to the next member of light bulb, and then back to the battery member. In this way, a closed path is formed by an electric current to flow, though this flow was symbolic and in the form of plastic balls. But in reality, how it happens, we are going to discuss about all the electric circuit and electric switch. Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Ready to learn science with me? Let's go. You can easily understand what is an electric circuit with the help of the text given in our book. I'm going to read here. It is easy to realize that we can get a continuous flow of electric current only if the current is flowing through a complete and closed path of conductors. Such a complete path through which an electric current can flow is called an electric circuit. We need a minimum of 3 parts or elements, even in the simplest of electric circuit. What is the meaning of that? एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में 3 पार्ट्स का होना बहुत जरूरी, and these 3 parts are as following: a source of electricity, that is cell or battery. Second is a path for flow of electric current, it means that are connecting wire. And third is a switch or a device that can start or stop the flow of current as and when required. We of course also need to have a device or load through which the electric current being made of flow. ये कह रहा है कि हमें इन 3 चीज़ों के साथ एक चीज़ ये भी लगाते हैं जिससे हमें काम करवाना, मान लो या तो इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब लगाएंगे या किसी मिक्सर ग्राइंडर को लगाएंगे जो उस करंट का इस्तेमाल करेगा और हमारे लिए वर्क करवाएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन हियर at page number 176. Just have a look. 6 diagrams are shown here to you, and you are asked to look these carefully. And what is asked again, in which of the above arrangement do you think the bulb will glow? What about the first one? The bulb will not glow because bulb is present, connecting wires are there, but there is no source of electricity, that is cell or battery. In the second figure, or you can say electric circuit, source of electricity is there, that is cell, connecting wires are there, and bulb is also there. So bulb will glow in second circuit. What about the third? Third is not the closed path. The connecting wires are not connected with each other, that's why bulb will not glow. In fourth arrangement, there is closed circuit made by the connecting wires and electric cell and bulb, and one terminal of the electric cell is connected to one terminal of electric bulb. In this way, we can say the bulb will glow. But what about the fifth and sixth one? In fifth case, path is closed one made by the connecting wires, electric cell and bulb, but one of the connecting wire is attached to the glass covering, and glass covering is the insulator of electricity, so the bulb will not glow. You can conclude that the connecting wire are not connected properly. Now the last one is clearly showing that one of the terminal one of the end of the connecting wire is free, there is no closed path and no electric current will flow, and there is no matter of glowing of bulb. Now this is the time to discuss about do you know given at page number 176. A complete path through which an electric current is flowing is referred to as closed circuit. When there is a break or discontinuity in the path, for example, when the switch is put off, the flow of electric current stops. We then refer to the circuit as an open circuit. So, we can grab this in this way that when the switch is in on position, the circuit is closed one and it gives the closed path to electric current to move from one end to the another end. But if discontinuity is there because of switching off of an electric switch, the current is unable to flow because discontinuity is there. So, and that path is known as opened path, closed path and opened path. Closed circuit, opened circuit, you can see. Now let's move towards an electric switch. What is an electric switch? Electric switch is a device. It is very important and essential part of an electric circuit. It helps us to start and stop the flow of current as and when required. जब जब हमें मान लो एक बल्ब जलाना है मुझे, तो इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच की मदद से मैं इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच ऑन करूंगी और बल्ब जलने लगेगा. जब मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है तो इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच बंद कर दूंगी, बल्ब जलना बंद हो जाएगा. इन दिस वे इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच हेल्प अस to start and stop the flow of current as and when required. And the switch has two positions. You know very well. The on position, that is which completes or closes the circuit. आप किसी इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच को ऑन करते हो, इसका मतलब आप उस पाथ को कंप्लीट करवा देते हो. अंदर दो चीज़ें आपस में मिलके क्लोज सर्किट बना देती हैं. एंड it helps to make the current flow. And another position of the electric switch is off position, in which we breaks or opens the circuit and stop the flow of current. Electric switches are of many shapes and sizes there. इलेक्ट्रिक टॉर्च में भी एक इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच लगा होता है, कई बार स्लाइडिंग होता है जो ऊपर की तरफ हमें स्लाइड करना पड़ता है, कई बार प्रेसिंग वाला होता है. इसी तरह घरों में भी जो इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच लगे होते हैं अलग अलग होते हैं. इवन अ डू यू नो इज गिवन एट पेज नंबर 177 एंड दिस इज what about the electric switches? The button type pieces on calculators, that is remotes, computers, keyboards, are also switches of different type. We also see switches of many different shapes and sizes in our houses, schools and offices. This is all about an electric switch or switches, electric switches, dear students. Now activity number 5 is given at page number 177. And this is all about to make your own electric switch with the help of 2 pins and a metallic strip. Read it well and try to make your own electric switch. And this electric switch can be put in an electric circuit as shown at the bottom of this activity with an electric cell and bulb and connecting wire. You can see if you are joining one end of the connecting wire to your switch, then the bulb will glow. If you remove that connecting wire from there, it will not glow. It means that strip is behaving as an electric switch. Now a do you know is given at page number 178. And this is all about, it may happen that the bulb in the above circuit does not glow. आपका सर्किट भी क्लोज्ड है और फिर भी बल्ब नहीं जल रहा, स्विच भी आपका ऑन पोजीशन में है, बल्ब नहीं जल रहा। दिस कुड बी ड्यू टू मैनी रीजन, 3 या 4 रीजन हो सकते हैं कि आपका सारी चीज़ आपने ठीक कर दी और फिर भी बल्ब नहीं जल रहा। तो आपका पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस भी आपको बता रहा होगा कि सबसे पहले आप वायर्स को जहाँ से आपने कनेक्ट किया है उनको देखते हैं कि कहीं कनेक्शन लूज तो नहीं रह गया। फिर कनेक्शन को वेरीफाई करके उसके बाद आप बल्ब को देखते हैं कि बल्ब फ्यूज़ तो नहीं हो गया। एंड थर्ड, आप यदि ये दोनों चीज़ ठीक है फिर आप बैटरी या सेल की तरफ जाते हैं कि कहीं सेल या बैटरी लो तो नहीं हो गए। सो दीज आर द 3 पॉसिबल रीजन बिहाइंड ऑफ नॉट ग्लोइंग द बल्ब इन अ क्लोज सर्किट। So what are the 3 possible reasons written here in, do you know? First one is connection may be loose or unclean. Second, cell may not be working. And third, the bulb may be fused. बल्ब फ्यूज कब होता है? जब उसका फिलामेंट ब्रोकन हो जाता है, विच अगेन मीन्स अ ब्रेक इन द सर्किट। यदि फिलामेंट बीच में से टूट गया, इट मीन्स जो क्लोज्ड पाथ था वो अब ओपनड हो गया है, तो बल्ब ग्लो नहीं करेगा। नाउ एक्टिविटी नंबर 7 इज गिवन देयर एंड व्हाट यू आर आस्क्ड, यदि 3-4 मटेरियल आपको दिए हैं और आप उन्हें अपने इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में यूज करते हैं एज ए स्विच, तो कौन से केस में बल्ब ग्लो करेगा एंड कौन से में नहीं करेगा। मटेरियल यूज्ड is on the left hand side and bulb will glow or does not glow. First of all, paper clip. If you are using a paper clip if the paper clip is of rubber, the bulb does not glow, but if it is of metal, then it will glow. Silk thread, bulb does not glow because silk thread is an insulator, अपने अंदर से करंट नहीं जाने देगा। What about the cotton thread? Cotton thread is also insulator, so bulb does not glow in this case also. But अब last one is there and that is metallic key. क्या इसमें बल्ब ग्लो करेगा? Yes, the bulb will glow because metals are the good conductors of electricity. In this way, dear student, we reaches up to the conclusion. Now we have to learn all that what is required to understand the structure and working of an electric torch. So I will meet you on the other side to explain you all about an electric torch. Stay connected. Have a good day, dear student.